tube. It's IE 5th scale here. So I mentioned last week that I was going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a dedicated power harness, and I went ahead and I did it this weekend, and I didn't record it. Everything I do is on my cell phone. I don't have a tripod or anything, so trying to solder, crimp, measure with one hand while recording, it just wasn't happening. So what I'm going to show you guys real quick is it working, and then I'll kind of take it apart and you guys can check out how the wires are ran, how everything's up. So I did relocate the power switch. It's right on the side now. It is lit up. So there we go. You can see the kill switch light working. We've got working steering, working throttle. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Let me hit that power switch again, and I'll kind of take it apart real quick. So in where the receiver goes, here you can see we've got the battery cable running in. We've got the line for the kill switch. I kind of messed up when I laid it out. The signal wire should have been running alone. The power should have been taken from the battery, and you only have 2 signal wires coming into the receiver. Here, let me get it out of the tray real quick. It'll make it a little bit easier. Then here we have the battery tray. Let's pop this bad boy off real quick. So check it out. There we have the power switch. We have an XT30 battery terminal. Rather than using to me or anything, these things are super tiny. I've used them in the past in quadcopters pulling over 100 amps, so it won't be any problem. We have the battery pack. Still need heat shrink for the battery pack. Just got done building it. And here is the mess of cables. So here you can see everything running into the box. Everything's in looms. Everything is separated. Kill switch. It was pretty cool. I did shorten the cable on the stock Losi servo. I did not do it on the Spectrum. The Spectrum has a cool little twist lock setup, and I'm just going to order a little bit of a shorter cable. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip it around, and you guys can check to see what the underside looks like. Check that out. So that long cable you see right there, that's the cable for the Losi servo. I'm going to order one that's going to be the right length. I think I need about 6.5 inches. The next shortest one I think is 8, as opposed to this one that's like 12. So I'll get that from A-Main. I'll shorten up that wiring down at the bottom, clean it up a little bit. But, you know, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's not going to be the final version. When I go dual steering front, I'm going to redo it. It's going to be a lot cleaner, removing that receiver to the back is going to clean up a lot of that wiring. I'll only have to have 4 wires running to the front. And, you know, if you guys have any questions, let me know. It was a royal pain in the ass to do. But everything is soldered, everything is crimped how it's supposed to be. I just couldn't figure out how to do it with one hand. So if you guys have any questions, you need to know how to do it, you want a little bit more info, shoot me a message, comment down below. I'll take it apart, I'll shoot some pictures, but yeah, there was no way I was going to get it done with one hand. As it is, it took me like 6 hours.